Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Ron in Kansas on the Ranger RCI-2970N4. Ron, it's all ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment as well as the clarifier mod. Let's get right to it. On the AM side, 250 watt scale. Got you set up just a hair under 25 watts so you have full adjustability. 125 wide open. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, a little over 210 or so. Bird, 500 watt slug PEP. Hello, 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 hello. 1, 2, 3. 500 in the corner. Take it on over to sideband. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. So you can sit there and talk around 500 watts, no problem there, Ron, on the sideband. Ron, I hope you enjoy it. My longtime friend from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.